Hello everyone. Now discuss about new subject design of steel structure. Now introduction to design of steel structures. Limit state method, not working state method is applied. Codes are Code of Practice for General Construction in Steel IS 800 2007. Handbook for Structural Engineers SP 61 1964 Refinement 2003. IS 808 1989 Refinement 2004. Steel Table of any Standard Books. Code of Practice for Design Loads other than earthquake for buildings and structures. IS 875 Part 1 to Part 5 1987. IRC Indian Road Congress for vehicle load etc. in bridge structures. Now, steel as a structural member. Now, advantage of steel: better quality control, lighter, faster to erect, reduced site time, fast track construction, large column free space and amenable for alteration, less material handling at site, less percentage of floor area occupied by structural elements, has better ductility and hence superior lateral load behavior, better earthquake resistance. Now, disadvantage of steel structure: a skilled labor is required, higher cost of construction, maintenance cost is high, proof firing as a 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 538 degrees C, 60% and at 1600 degree Fahrenheit, 871 degrees C, 15% of strength remains. Electricity may be required. Now, chemical composition of steel. Steel is an alloy which mainly contains iron and carbon. इस स्टील जो बेसिकली होता है alloy of iron and carbon. Apart from the carbon, a small percentage of manganese, silicon, phosphorus, nickel and copper are also added to modify the specific properties of the steel. Now, chemical composition of structural steel IS 2062, 1992 and IS 800 2007. First of all, first column is grade. Here A, B, C are denoted the grade. Fe 410 WA, carbon content is 0.23, manganese is 1.50, sulfur 1.050, phosphorus 1.050, silicon 0.40, carbon equivalent 0.42. Similarly, Fe 410 WB, here B is the grade denoted, carbon is 0.22, manganese is 1.50, silicon is sulfur is 0.045, phosphorus is 0.45 and silicon is 0.40, carbon equivalent 0.41. Similarly, Fe 410 WC, carbon content 0.20, manganese 1.50, sulfur 1.040, phosphorus 0.040, silicon 0.40 and carbon equivalent 0.39. Now Fe 440, carbon content 0.20, manganese 1.30 and sulfur 0.05, 0.40, phosphorus 0.50, 0.4, 0.04, silicon 0.45, carbon equivalent 0.40. Similarly, Fe 490, carbon content 0.20, manganese 1.50, sulfur 0.05, yeah, 0.40. Similarly, phosphorus is 0.05, 0. Yeah, 0.04, silicon is 0.45, and carbon equivalent 0.42. Now, last is the Fe for Fe 519, carbon content 0.22, manganese 1.80, sulfur 0.045, yeah, 0.04, phosphorus 0.045, yeah, 0.04, silicon is 0.45, carbon equivalent 0.4. Now, carbon equivalent is equal to C plus manganese by 6 plus Cr plus MO plus B by 5 plus nickel plus copper by 15. This is the carbon equivalent equation. Now, the term in the bracket denotes the maximum limit of the flat products. Now, types of steel structure. Different different structure steel can be produced based on the necessity by changing slightly the chemical composition and manufacturing process. First one is the carbon steel. In this type of structural steel, carbon and manganese are used as a extra elements. Second one is the high strength carbon steel. By increasing the carbon content, this type of steel can be manufactured, which basically produces steel with comparatively higher strength but less quantity. In this case, strength is higher but ductility is less. Stainless steel. Stainless steel, when carbon is removed, that is known as stainless steel. In this type of steel, mainly foreign material like nickel and chromium are used along with a small percentage of carbon. Properties of steel structure. The important mechanical properties of steel are ultimate strength, yield strength, and ductility. Welding, toughness, corrosion, resistance, and machinability. The last four properties are important for durability of material and often associated with fabrication of steel structures. The mechanical properties of steel largely depends on its chemical composition, heat treatment, stress history, rolling methods, and rolling thickness. Okay, thank you.